Hello friends, welcome to Azure 204, Lab 13, Exercise 5. So far we are done with Exercise 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this video we'll work on Exercise 5 which says clean up your subscription. Okay, so let's go to the instruction page. Okay, Exercise 5. So here task 1 is that it says go and open Cloud Shell and then run this particular command to delete the resources. Okay, so I'll copy the command, I'll go to the Azure portal. Let me close everything and I'll start Azure Cloud Shell. Now first I will run the command to list out all the resources which are there under my subscription. So as add group list dash o then table. So this particular command will list out all the resources which I have. So now you can see. So we need to delete the last one, marketing content. Okay. So I'll paste the command here. As add group delete dash dash name, resource group name and the options. Dash dash no wait dash yes means it will take yes as my confirmation to delete the resources. Okay, so now this particular command will delete the resources in the background, so you don't have to wait here. All right, so here we are done with exercise 5. Now let's talk about the learnings of lab 13. I hope now you guys can go and register microsoft.cdn resource provider. You can also create CDN and then you can configure CDN endpoints in web apps. Okay, thank you for watching and please do subscribe my channel.